Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk bike maintenance on your late model baggers, specifically those 17 and up Milwaukee 8 baggers. Now, changing your oil is always a must do every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, and of course you're using an oil filter. Now, some of the transmission and primary drain plugs out there have magnets on. Typically though, the engine drain plug does not. And you really want to catch anything that's coming through that oil, especially if you have a big hot rod, so it doesn't get farther along into your engine. That's where a dipstick comes into play. And that's a weird thing to say, I know, but Figurati has come out with a magnetic dipstick. Pretty smart. The magnet is captured inside the dipstick there, so it can't get away from you. A couple other things I really like about this: when you take out the stock dipstick, I have this one kind of loose already. When it tightens up, it can be pretty tough to get a hold of. There's only really two ways to grab it because the slot that's raised up there lands in a certain spot, and sometimes it's a little bit tough. So it's not exactly the most functional piece, and it's stuck kind of in a bad spot. So we're gonna pull this one out. As you can see, the dipstick part, exact same length as the Figurati one. The other thing is the same fill scale that's on there is transferred over just like the factory to the Figurati unit. The only difference is here, we got a magnet. So even if you're just checking your oil, which you should do on a Harley fairly often, because you know what, they run hot, they could burn a little bit of oil. Could be a good thing. You might catch something. Might be a red flag. Check something else out. Otherwise, this is just a nice piece of insurance to have. And like I said about taking it in and out, it fits back in the stock spot, bends down, and they're really, really nice. This has got some weight to it. These come in this polished color like this. There's also a black. The nice thing is if you tighten that up, it's really easy to grab a hold of. It's knurled, it's got those slots in it. You can put your hand anywhere rather than just having that one slot to try to grab a hold of there. Boop, it'll come loose. Overall, a really well thought out piece from Figurati. Looking for more information on this, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about this dipstick. If you're still looking for more information, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thanks for watching, and go work on those motorcycles.